Hi everyone, hi especially the fans of the automotive stuff. I've got the engine from a small car called Fiat 126. This is like Polish and Italian make, back to 70s, 90s, from 70s to 90s they produced that thing. And what I want to do today, I'm gonna show you how this engine works inside. I'm just gonna take the oil pan off, clean everything inside, and then I'm gonna place this engine without the oil pan on the table, and I'm gonna put the camera underneath, and we're gonna watch how all these internal parts work, like the crankshaft, conrods, pistons, camshaft, because camshaft is on the bottom in the engine casing, and that's it. If somebody haven't seen the previous video when I found this engine and I started up, just check the link below this in the description. It's going to be more easy for you to find it, and then you can watch it and see what you think. Okay, now we're gonna take the oil off, and I'm gonna take the oil pan off, and you're gonna see all this process now. Okay guys, now I'm gonna take the drain plug off, oil drain plug off, because it's very rusty. I'm gonna use the spanner and rubber hammer to don't damage the tool. Okay, oh, it's not that bad. Okay, we take the oil plug off. We're gonna put some container to catch the oil. Okay. We're gonna leave it for a few minutes to drain this properly. Okay, look how dirty is this thing inside. Shit, look. Okay guys, now we're gonna take off the oil strainer. They call it sieve, I think. We're gonna have better view over here. Okay. Now we're gonna take off the conrod bearing shells. I'm gonna check what condition they inside. I think one of this got a little bit of loose. I think that's why somebody threw away this engine. Okay, now I'm gonna put everything together. I'm gonna put the oil, because anyway you need to put oil. This engine is gonna work without the oil pressure. Then I have to put a little bit of oil. Okay. And those things as numbers. This is the second one. First one I already put, and this this thing, it should facing the same thing over there on the side. Okay, let's put the oil. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna wash these internal parts from the dirt. Then we're gonna have more visible view how all these parts works while engine running. For this purpose I use ordinary kerosene, and I got some pan. I'm gonna drain this thing down. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put this engine on this slot, and after that I'm gonna connect all the cables, and all remaining of oil on that thing, that liquid that I washed it, is gonna drain down. I put some pan on the floor. They're gonna catch all the drops and stuff. Okay, let's put this engine there. Has to modify a little bit of the table, because the pulley was higher than the engine casing, and that's why this pulley need to go more in. Okay, now we're gonna put the petrol, connect the petrol to the carburetor. Okay, because I haven't got the starter motor with good working order, I'm gonna use the only head from the starter motor, and mount it to the engine casing, and the rotor I'm gonna use driving by the drill, and that's how I'm gonna spin this engine, and then start this engine. We got all connected. Engine is ready to start. I'm gonna start by drill, and then I'm gonna take the camera underneath, and you're gonna see how this all internal parts works while engine running.
Okay guys, the experiment was a success. I think you like it. I was curious how it works inside. I think that thing was quite interesting, and I think you like it. What I'm gonna do next, probably I'm gonna show you how is working the timing chain. I'm gonna take the cover off and the running the engine, start the engine, and we're gonna see how this chain works when it's very worn, and this is gonna be probably interesting as well. I got more plans about the engine in the future. I'm gonna do more tests. That's why don't forget to subscribe this channel, because it's gonna be more and more videos. I'm gonna produce probably every week some good video. I got some few ideas. You can press the notification bell as well, then YouTube is gonna notify you when new material gonna be on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment. Maybe you can give me some suggestions for next video. What else I can do with this engine, what do you want to watch, what do you want to see. And I think that's it. I wish you all the best, and take care. See you in next video.